Yeah, good morning students. Welcome back to the session here. It's me, Jashiran sir, as we are moving in the content. I hope you have been enjoyed your exam session FA format assessment. So I'm just received only few papers. I hope please send your remaining sheets. Please send your exam sheets what you have written as early as possible. Let us discuss about the topic as we are moving in the lesson number 1 as per the new content of syllabus. Okay, Nana? So we are discussing this universe and the earth. Once we'll recapitulate what we have discussed in the previous class. We have discussed about the universe, origin of universe, and next we have seen several factors, astronomers and astronauts, and finally we came for the earth, the uniqueness of earth planet. And in the earth, what is the origin here? What is the origin of earth in the universe? And heliocentric theory, geocentric theory we have been seen. So apart of all these things, so we are moving to the next concept. As we have discussed, we came from the realms of the earth, right? So what are realms? The layers which covered. I said no, previous class, on the earth is the only planet, it is unique, where the life is supports. We can, the living beings can survive only on the planet. Other than we have remaining planets, we cannot stay there. But why we have chosen earth? Yes, why we are born on the earth? So there is a purpose here. That purpose is, there are number of realms are there. These realms, for our knowledge, we call it as layers. Okay, Nana, what is layer? Yes, we have major important layers, as we discussed a few layers in the previous class. Lithosphere we have discussed, right? Litho means the solid crust part of the earth surface, it is called lithosphere. It comprises of rocks, it comprises of soil, it comprises of heavy highlands, plateaus, different regions. Okay, Nana? And finally we discussed about the hydrosphere, water content. How much usage of water? 2/3 of water. 2/3 part of the water is occupied on the earth. So we have discussed all these things now. So finally we came into the atmosphere layer. So what is atmosphere layer? Obviously, naturally, it is also one of the layer. It is derived from the Greek language atmos. Atmos means vapor. Atmos means vapor. What is vapor? Yes. Want to see a vapor? Did you have an experience of vapor? Did you touch the vapor any time? You didn't? Okay, let me say, in your home, so you will be using drinking for the cool drinks, you will be drinking. Sometimes cooling water you might drinking. If you observe, the water droplets will be sticked on the bottle. Did you observe? Yes. Observe. Next, when you see your mom is cooking at the kitchen, after completion of the food, when it is ready to eat, when she opens the lid of that vessel, you find water droplets. That is called vapor. Here also, atmosphere, we are having vapor, but that is water vapor. But here we are seeing air vapor. What is that? Air vapor. So in the air also we find vapor. Yes. Okay, Nana? The invisible, very minute droplets, and it is a mixture of air. The water content which travels in the air, which is called as humidity. Next, there are different types of mixture of airs are there. These airs we segregated. This mixture of vapor. Inside of the vapor, what is there? We find number of gases. The air we having, inside of the air we find number of gases. What is gas? Now we are going to discuss. Okay, Nana? Right. Before that, let me give you some information. Atmosphere, a layer. How we can see on the earth? It is a layer, it acts like envelope. Okay, it acts as a envelope. What is envelope? So if you get a letter from your friend, if you get a parcel from your online shopping, so you have to open that box. That box is covering is otherwise envelope. You see, if you got some letter, for example, you have to open the envelope letter. Inside you find this protecting layer for that letter is this. So here also atmosphere is a layer. It is like a thick envelope layer. What is there inside? Mixture of air. What is there inside of the air? It is mixture of gases. It is a mixture of gases. So how many types of gases are there in the air? Let us discuss. It is a mixture of gases. In these gases, famous, not famous, what is available? Oxygen, nitrogen, carbon dioxide. Okay, oxygen, nitrogen, carbon dioxide. Do you find any other gases? No. We can see these gases. It is a mixture. In this atmosphere layer we find these gases. Which is more percentage? We find this more nitrogen, which is very essential for us. Yes, for every life which we are living on the earth, this is most important. To sustain our life, this is important. For breathing, we are breathing air. Yes, we are enjoying the air without breath. If you close your nose, you will die. So air is most important for us, right? Next, carbon dioxide. If you observe, this is necessary for what? For plants. What is the reason behind this? Why oxygen only we have to breathe? Yes, if you breathe carbon dioxide, your internal organs will damage and you will die. So it is not essential gas for us. Okay, Nana? Carbon dioxide is not essential gas for us. Sir, then how we can know, sir, that we are breathing oxygen or carbon dioxide? I know you will get that point. Which is suitable air only our body is ready to receive. Which is suitable air only, suitable gas only, our body is ready to receive. We are now alive because we are breathing oxygen. For example, this gas cannot be taken inside. Our nostrils is not ready to receive this gas. It's so dangerous. It won't feel us to breathe. Okay, ma? So I hope you have cleared these doubts. Atmosphere is a layer. It is a thick envelope layer which cover entire earth. So it is a mixture of gases. Most probably, what type of gases? Oxygen, nitrogen, carbon dioxide. As we are living on the earth, we need oxygen to breathe. For any life surviving, oxygen is very necessary for them. What about nitrogen? Nitrogen is a mixture of gas. Carbon dioxide, for plants it is very necessary. Yes, let me explain you why plants only, carbon dioxide is only essential for plants means, yes, you know, plants will do photosynthesis. What is photosynthesis? Yes, it prepares its food without any dependence by the sunlight. This process helps us only through the source of gas, that is called carbon dioxide. Okay, Nana? So you might see recently in corona second wave, number of people ran, generally they have ran after the oxygen cylinders. Why, sir, we are getting oxygen air? Why, sir, that we are keeping oxygen? That means we have shortage of oxygen. Number of patients have tested their sense, the saturation of oxygen level of our body. That means if it is less, our body will goes up. That much necessary oxygen. Okay. Now we are purchasing oxygen cylinders now. That means what is the situation? Day by day, oxygen levels, oxygen air is decreasing. Why it is decreasing? Yes, everything is polluted, which we are breathing also, it is a harmful poisonous gas. The air is contaminated with pollution. Clear, Nana? So this is about the information. Let me give you more discussion. Let me give you more details about the atmosphere layer. So this is about, how do we know atmosphere layer is available on the earth? How do we know? Yes, let me show you. Earth is there. Invisibly on the earth, the layers are covered like this. In the atmosphere layer itself, we find different layers. For example, earth is there. Okay, Nana? The first layer of atmosphere. The first layer of atmosphere. You want to see this? First one is troposphere. Stratosphere. Okay, Nana? Troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere. Okay, next thermosphere, and the final layer of the ending layer of the atmosphere, that is called exosphere. This exosphere is also known as entrance to the space. So this complete, how many layers do we find? 1, 2, 3, 4. In the atmosphere itself, atmosphere layers itself, it is a mixture of internal 5 layers, external and internal layers. Atmosphere itself, it's a layer. Inside of this atmosphere layer, we find 5 different variations. What are those? Troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, thermosphere, exosphere. For example, how do we can have an experience that troposphere layer is available? Yes. Did you travel in an aeroplane? Did you travel in a helicopter? Yes. Of course. Some people might now, everybody is enjoying the field trips and everybody is enjoying their vacations. Because of COVID, we are silent. If COVID goes away, then immediately we will book the flight tickets. We will be moving around. Of course, all the people cannot afford, but there are some people who will be moving in the aeroplanes. This aeroplane can travel only inside of the troposphere layer. It can travel only inside of the troposphere. For example, house are, yes, aeroplane force can support to travel the journey in the space of troposphere only. Sir, if they go above troposphere, what happens? They can't go. The strato cannot allow these tropo. Okay. Next, is there any other aircrafts can reach us all the layers? Yes, is there aircrafts. Which we see? Rocket. Which we see? Rocket. Did you see? Yes, rocket can go and finally the rocket will become satellite. Man-made satellite. Okay, so for you to understand, to get some knowledge, I have explained like this. Okay, so the layers inside of the atmosphere itself, how many layers do we find? Totally, atmosphere layer is a mixture of how many layers, Nana? Totally, we find atmosphere we find how many? 5 types. We find 5 types of layers. One is troposphere. Next one, strato, troposphere, stratosphere, meso, after mesosphere, thermos, after thermos, exo, Apart of these layers, there is one important layer which is protecting us from the, that is near to the ozone layer. Ozone is the thickest layer which is covering for dangerous rays which are falling from the sun, UV rays. If sun directly falls on the ground, what will happen? Earth will become ash. So this layer is protecting. We are sending rockets and everything, rubbish, dust, gas, comets, everything we are sending. For example, if they fall suddenly, who is protecting? Ozone layer is protecting. Okay, Nana? So when do we celebrate? So that remembrance of old ozone layer, we celebrate the observation of that day in 16th September. Every 16th September we celebrate World's Ozone Day. Ozone Day is observed on 16th September. Okay, Nana? Is it clear? Okay. Right. I hope you have got clarity about atmosphere. Shall we go for the next part? Yes. The fourth layer or fourth realm of the earth, that is called biosphere. What is that? Biosphere. What is biosphere? The name itself is saying bio means life. The layer which supports with life. For example, how do we find bio? Yes, all these are connected with the three layers. That means land, air and water. With this connectivity, only one planet in the solar system, that is called Earth, which supports for the life. That means we are alive, we are breathing, we are alive. Because of these, so there are living and non-living beings are surviving on the earth. Possibility of biosphere. So bio means life. Okay, let us, how we can consider as biosphere is alive. For example, if you find small microorganisms to big creatures. Among these, we are also there. Who? Human beings. We are also having life. So that will be considered as biosphere. Clear, Nana? Right. We'll discuss more. Where do we find this? Biosphere, all the insects and small plants, animals and everything are surviving on the earth with the support of, let us all together, it is called human environment. What is environment? Environment actually natural and human. So how do human being is a normal person observed in the environment? Let us discuss. Our surroundings which we formed for our conveniences, those are called human environment. Human environment is otherwise also known as, for example, natural environment. What is natural environment? That means if you find the things which you find in nature, nature process. For example, plants, trees, animals. For example, if you observe the hills, mountains, caves, hills and all those comes under natural environment. What about him? For example, human cannot adjust all the areas. For example, he cannot live on the road, no. So he should need one. What he should need? One house. Okay, Rana? So he cannot rest under the hill, rest under the caves and rest under the trees. No safety is there. Yes. Next, man-made. Now, man for walking purpose, who constructed? Roads. Now, for what purpose? It makes us, actually land is disordered. For our convenience, we created the artificial environment, that is called human man-made environment. Okay, Nana? So we created as per our convenience. Next, so this is about all the constructions which we made for our purpose and for our convenience. These are called environment. Right, shall we go for the next part? So are we are protecting environment? No. Then what we are doing? Yes, we are polluting. Let us learn about the word pollution. What is pollution? Naturally we have some resources like air, water, land, soil, vagera, vagera, everything. If we use in a good purpose, then it will be help us. For example, if we cut the tree, what will happen? We are cutting our oxygen gas. From the trees we get oxygen gas. If we cut the tree, what will happen? We will lose oxygen levels. Indirectly, when you cut the tree, we are reducing our oxygen gas percentage. Clear, Nana? I hope you understand what I am saying. Right. Let me explain clearly. So polluting means damaging the resources literally. Some are wantedly damaging, some are what they are doing? By mistake they are doing. Let us discuss. Adding the impurities in the resources. Adding the impurities in resources. How we are adding? Yes, wantedly we are not adding, but unwantedly, unexpectedly, accidentally, what the mistake will do, that may pollute entire atmosphere. Let us see what is pollution. So pollution is divided into how many times? So we find pollution into different types. First one, air pollution. Air pollution. Next, water pollution. Yes, air pollution, water pollution, and sound pollution. For example, there are number of pollutions are there. Soil pollution. If we pollute these, what will happen? So we will lose our resources. We will get shortage in our resources. Future, if we want to take a good breath also, you have to buy the oxygen cylinder. That's what now we are doing this. I think now we are running after oxygen cylinders. Now latest artificial. Previously, we don't have air conditioners. We don't have refrigerators. Then how we used to preserve the food? Then how we used to sleep on the open area? Then today why we are enjoying the AC, air conditioner air? Why we are habituated for this? Right, this is one. That means we are polluting the air literally. How we are polluting the air? Yes, by releasing the chemical gases. Due to the heavy traffic, we are polluting the air. That means, you see how the air is polluted. Number of vehicles we are purchasing per day. If one vehicle moves, it releases a large smoke which contaminates. Next, if you see the factories, from the factories you will get release the smoke which mix into the air. Later it impacts, entire air will be polluted. If once air will be polluted, what will happen? We will get different diseases. We can't breathe good conditioned air. How air can damage us? Yes, while we are breathing this poisonous gas, inside our organs will collapse. Clear, Nana? So this is to control this. Apart of this air pollution, we are due to our technologies, what we are doing? We are polluting much. So instead of this, better we will use latest technology to avoid this air pollution. Let us keep our air into fresh, so that we could live for a long time. So if you go for a village region, if you see a person can lifespan of a person may be 120 years, 150 years also living in the village regions. But if we come to cities and towns, literally 60 to 70, they are getting lot of health problems. When they are crossed 80 years, it is a great thing. When they cross the 80 years, it is a great thing. That means due to pollution, everything is collapse. Let us go for the water pollution. What is water pollution? Yes, we are polluting water. How? Dumping unnecessary dust materials. For example, as you see, factories are one reason, air pollution is one reason. Indirectly, it releases the water which may mix into the oceans and seas, and water and rivers and lakes are polluting. Once the water is polluted due to the factories and industries, of course. Nowadays, which we are doing agricultural practice to get good condition of soil, we are using fertilizers, okay nana, pesticides to strengthen, to give a good rich resources for the soil, to get ready the soil into a good condition. We are using different chemicals. Because of these chemicals, what is happening? Under the layer of groundwater, it is reaching, it is percolating and it is reaching, the entire water is polluting. So the people, those are drinking nearby the villages water, okay. Sir, you said no sir, in village regions there, yes, once upon a time I am saying, not now. Everybody is using chemicals. Organic fertilizers nobody is using, natural manures nobody is using, everybody is using chemicals now, right. Let us, we'll go for the next part. If you see the air and water is very important. Let me give you some activities. Are you ready to take now? Okay, to control this pollution, what we have to do? Yes, in the schools education, a teacher should also give a awareness of environment protection. It should be a part. Then the children should realize the importance of nature, importance of resources. Okay nana? Increasing the capacity of reused minerals, increasing the capacity of reused materials. So once, for example, you might use your books and you will be, after writing, you will be throwing those. See, if one paper wants to manufacture in an industry, we have to kill 2 to 3 trees. Imagine how many trees we are killing for manufacturing of a conditioned paper. So this is the situation. So for all, beyond all those things. Next, avoid dumping waste material. Avoid dumping waste. If you don't throw any waste in your water, there are some content of material which cannot dissolve in the water. Dissolve means it cannot mix with water. Of course, if they are ready to mix with water, we have to drink that water, we have to use for sanitation. You see, there are some materials like polythene cover and all those things which cannot dissolve. Because of this dumping of waste material, whatever the life available in sea, inside of the water, marines, they might die. Clear nana? So this is the implication of your environmental protection. Let us go for the next part, and I just want to give you activity. Finally, I just want to conclude with activity. Right, write down 4 slogans on environment protection. Write down how many slogans? 4 slogans. This is one activity I am just going to give. You just write down. Next, prepare a poster. Prepare a you know, prepare a poster regarding environmental protection, just conservation of environment. Okay, Nana? So these are the activity 1, activity 2. Please complete these 2 activities. By the next class, from this lesson you will be getting OT exam. So prepare multiple choice questions. Apart of this, don't avoid this work. Maximum you complete this and you can send me through WhatsApp. Hope you have enjoyed this session. We will meet in the next class. Thank you. Have a nice day.